In the page number 2, I will begin with the images first. Basically, I want to take like 2/3 of the page for the images and 1/3 of the page for the text. Drag a copy of the text here. I will take care of the text later. Just a little piece here. Command X. And then I will place the text. I will manage the text. So now I want to start with the images. So my idea here is to divide this page. Okay, you may consider I'm not following the margin. Okay, in this moment I'm not really interested into the margin itself. I'm just mine to have an evenly spaced image. Okay, let me apply some colors so you can see better what I'm doing. I want to create like 3 columns of images, and all these 3 columns should be divided by 4 mm as the column gap here. I want to show you that in the property panel, this object has like a certain position, and L is like width and A is the height. So in this moment, I want to divide this measure in 3 pieces, 3 even pieces, and I want to remove 4 and 4 mm, so it totally is 8. So it's easy to type 210, but in case, just to show you can type -8, press enter, and the object became 210. Consider that this corner here has been locked, so the distance has been removed from here. Then I want to divide by 3/3, and this is the right dimension, the right column distance for every image. Then I want to duplicate this image here, so I can take advantage of another feature, which is transform move. In transform move, I may decide that this guy here is 70 mm, so I want to move this guy 74 because also I want a gap. I press tab, and then I can preview what is the movement, and then I press copy, so I have 2. And then I need just to say again, transform again, and then I have 3 rows. So basically those images are supposed to be even, like this. I may decide to make this a little shorter. I will play with the height of the image later. Let's say maybe I want to do something which is a little uneven, up and down. So how can I start duplicating the image from here? I can click one time, holding down the shift, click one time. I'm holding down the alt key from here and dragging down this image like this. So these are exactly the same distance from the top. But I want to move these guys down a little. There are more than one ways. In this case, I need just to add 4 mm, and this guy goes down. So if I want, I can have like another guide, and then I can move also these 2 down like this. So as you can see, it's pretty simple, pretty easy. Not really happy with this. So I want to make this guy a little shorter. Okay, I'm dragging as you can see. And then I want to make these guys a little more up. So I can make this up, and then I can show you another trick you can use. You can make a selection of the 2 images like this, and then you can go to Window, Objects, Align. Right here, and then Window Objects Align, you can align one of these 2 objects that are perfectly aligned center, left and right, but also you can distribute the spacing. In this case, you need to turn on use spacing. I want 4 mm in vertical, and this is what I have. So also you may decide to have, like, again, you have obtained the 4 mm as you want. Maybe I want to have this goes down like this. So then I want to realign these 2 guys with this one. I can click on this, click on this, click on this. All these 3 boxes are selected. But now I want to click on this one again, and you can see this thick blue border. So this means that this guy here has been locked in a certain way. So these two guys, if I ask to align the top, in reality, they're getting down. This is a very cool feature. And then I can make my layout of the image very consistent, very similar, but not boring, because there are some little differences between the images. Of course, you may decide to do different, but this is one option.